Do you know which was the first bank to be established in India? Do you know which was the first bank to be purely owned and managed by Indians? Do you know which bank started credit card facilities in India? Do you know when was SBI nationalized? If not, do watch the video till the end, because today in this video I am going to cover all these questions which are important for all competitive exams and you should know being an Indian about this banking history. So let's start the video. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं सागर बम्बोली आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत करता हूँ कॉमर्स ट्रेजर पर। सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट सम इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs ऑन banking in India which are important from all the competitive exams point of view. So let's see the question number 1. The first bank to be purely managed by Indians is Oudh Commercial Bank, Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, Union Bank of India. So the first bank to be purely managed by Indians is Punjab National Bank. Remember friends, PNB, Punjab National Bank is first bank to be purely managed by Indians. So this bank was established in the year 1895 by Lala Lajpat Rai in Lahore. Now one more nearby question which can be asked is about Oudh Commercial Bank. Oudh Commercial Bank was started in the year 1881 and this was the bank which was purely managed by Indian board, right friends? So just understand the difference. Which is purely managed is Punjab National Bank, which is purely managed by Indian board, which was controlled by Indian board, then we can say it was Oudh Commercial Bank in 1881. The next question is the first bank to be set up in India was. So the first bank to be set up in India was Bank of Hindustan. So this was established in the year 1770. Now after this bank was set up, two more banks were then set up. One was Bank of Bengal in the year 1784 and General Bank of India in the year 1786. Also remember those two banks which are set up immediately after Bank of Hindustan. The next question is the first bank to issue check in India was. So you have to remember the first bank which issued check in India was Bank of Bengal, which was established in the year 1784 as I said. So Bank of Hindustan, Bank of Bengal and General Bank of India, all three were the initial banks, but all the three banks failed in India and could not survive for a longer period of time. The next question is the oldest joint stock bank in India was. So the oldest joint stock bank in India is Allahabad Bank. You have to remember this friends. This was established in the year 1865 and this is said to be the oldest joint stock bank in India. The next question is a very interesting and important one. Which of the following bank was not merged to become the Imperial Bank of India in the year 1921? So in the year 1921, three banks were merged and they became Imperial Bank of India, and those three banks were Presidency Bank of Bengal, which was established in the year 1809, Presidency Bank of Bombay, which was established in the year 1840, and Presidency Bank of Madras, which was established in the year 1843. So these three banks were merged together in the year 1921 and they became Imperial Bank of India. Now the same Imperial Bank of India was again renamed in the year 1955 and this was called as State Bank of India. So you can remember this, in the year 1955 this Imperial Bank of India was nationalized and it became to be called as State Bank of India. So this is what you have to remember about State Bank of India. The next question is which Bank of India is called as India's Swadeshi Bank? Now what is India's Swadeshi Bank? India's Swadeshi Bank is nothing but the first bank which was purely owned as well as managed by Indians, right? So totally it was the Swadeshi people who were operating as well as owning the bank. So that bank was Central Bank of India. So Central Bank of India was established in the year 1911 and this is the first Indian bank to be wholly owned and managed by India. The next question is which bank is called as India's International Bank? Now this has also been asked many times. India's International Bank is Bank of Baroda. Remember this because this bank has maximum number of branches outside India, therefore it is called as India's International Bank. The next question is Banking Regulation Act was passed in the year. So all the banks are now managed by RBI as well as by an act which is called as Banking Regulation Act. and that was passed in the year 1949, which is also very important to remember. The next question is match the following type of questions where you have been given 4 things which was started first in India relating to bank, and 4 banks have been given, so you have to identify which bank started which services in India. So let's see the options. First bank to open the first branch outside India, so which was the bank? You have to remember this was Bank of India. So Bank of India in the year 1946 established the first branch outside India in London. Then the first bank to launch credit card in India was Central Bank of India. So remember this point also. The first bank to launch ATM services in India was HSBC Bank. So HSBC stands for Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation. So this was the first bank who has launched the ATM services. And the first bank to provide internet banking facility is ICICI Bank. So the right options will be 1, 2, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 2, 3, we have only one option. So this is going to be the right answer. So the last question for today's video is also a match the following type of question, wherein you have been given 4 banks and you have been given 4 dates of nationalization. You have to match the 2 things. So RBI was nationalized in the year 1st January 1949. So it was established in the year 1935, that is on 1st April, but it got nationalized and became the central bank of our country on 1st January 1949. SBI, as I said earlier, SBI was Imperial Bank of India, which was formed in the year 1921 by merging 3 banks, and in the year 1955 on July 1 SBI was renamed and it became a nationalized bank of our country. Punjab National Bank was nationalized in the first phase of nationalization, where 14 banks were nationalized in the year 1969 on 19th July. So 14 banks were there, in which PNB was one bank, and the remaining bank which was nationalized, I have given the list on the screen. You can just see list. And in the year 1986 more banks were nationalized, in which Bank of India was also one bank. So on 15th April 1980 Bank of India and 5 more banks were nationalized in the second round of nationalization. The remaining 5 banks I have given you on the screen. You can just have a look. So the right option is going to be 1, 2, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 2, 3, again only one option. So this is going to be your right answer. So these are some questions on banking history in India. There are many more questions which can be asked regarding to this topic. I'll bring you more of such question in another video. I'm also going to make a video on mergers of bank which happened recently. That is, the public sector bank in our country was reduced from 27 to 12. So I will make a detailed video on that. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon so that you can get a notification as soon as I upload a new video. So thank you guys for watching the video. Meet you again with another video.